can see. Come a little closer to me. It's the roller coaster. Don't feel defeated. I'll give you motive, I'll give you a reason. I can't find your love nowhere anymore. I wanted you to stay with me, to stay with me, to save me. I wanted you to stay with me wherever you go. I can't pretend it, don't understand this is something that's not.
Evening, Karim. You don't look alright to me.
Alright, but just straighten up and get everything in order. That's make you leave here so before your boyfriend come back.
Boyfriend? Which boyfriend you talk?
The same one who just bush like Snagapus come look for you.
I can't read your talk. Karim, I'm my ex.
Your ex? The man make it low down verbally say, yeah, I'm woman Tony. I'll me ma tell that.
Karim, let me just explain everything to you today. Karim, that boy that you see come here is my ex.
So what I'm saying? Yeah, in there.
He's the boy that used to abuse me.
You used to get abused?
Yes, Karim. And I defend myself because I can't take it no more. I'm gonna come out of a relationship. And I didn't expect him to come back here. It's like him saying similar video on TikTok and so comes him find me.
TikTok? That means say him see me a video then.
I don't even know, you know. And I'm not care.
Okay, cool. So tell me something. The other day him run past me and that was quite confusing. What really going on?
Well, him come back and say need me back. And I want to come outside and just kick him down. I'm a seeing blaze going up the road past.
So I say just keep down man and anything there regular.
Karim, I would even understand.
So me understanding no?
Karim, I tell you already, he did very abusive to me.
Well, you do the right thing and leave still because this is the moment you're in a relationship and you start get abused, you need to make sense out of that. Call the police or something or call your bad family if you have one, but abuse to females, you run from it. It's too pretty for that.
Thanks, Karim. And not every man appreciate a good woman like